Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to delete YouTube history, absolutely on any device. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. Next, in the upper right corner, click on your profile. Open Manage your Google account. Now while we're downloading, we're going to have a few tabs here. Home, Personal Info. We click on Data and Privacy. We scroll down to the bottom, and we find YouTube History. We open it up. Then we click here, right here. Select how we want YouTube history to be deleted. 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. You choose. Click Next and Save. To clear the history of videos or searches, we click Manage History. And this brings up the history that we've recently watched. Let's say at 4:56 p.m. I watched this video. To delete it, I click here and delete it. I can also click here and delete it. Click and delete. There's also this button on the top. Click on it. It's called Delete. I press it. We can choose to delete for today, for a certain period, or for all time. That's how easy it can be done. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Write comments. Thank you all. Goodbye.